This is the CYC Motors 5000 watt mid-drive kit. So let's open the box and let's see how it looks like.
That is the kit. That's the mid-drive.
So this is the X1 Pro Generation 2 2021 version. And here are the instructions. Oh, look at that.
We have a free hat.
Free hat, yeah.
Yeah. Two hats.
Two hats. That's pretty cool.
We don't have to fight over them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome.
That's on the side. What do we have here? That's how it comes.
Oh, look at this.
I'm just gonna take all the pieces out.
Let's look at this first. This is.
Oh
shoot! Look at that.
Mid-drive.
5000 watts. This is beautiful. Look how compact it is. Oh, so we have to change the crankset too in the bike.
Yes. So this is.
All right. So this is really nice.
You could tell just like from handling it, this is quality manufacturing.
This is CNC, right? Look at that.
Yeah.
This is really
Very
nice.
heavy duty.
And this is, I will have to see if this is a torque sensor or it's a cadence sensor. But this is really, really nice. Put this inside here.
Very
Have the
high
controller,
quality.
well packed. Wow, this is beautiful. And this is 5000 watt. It's gonna be really fast.
Now what's missing in here is the battery.
The battery, yeah, we're waiting for
course,
the
yeah.
battery to be delivered, and as soon as the battery comes here, and we'll show you guys which bikes we will be testing on. Even the chain is included.
You know,
Yeah, this thing is beautiful.
these are the.
So you have the full kit. You have the controller, you have the sprockets, the motor, and the throttle with everything there.
Everything is in here.
Yeah, everything's in there. Yeah.
Put it in there. And
We'll put this aside.
put this aside.
So we'll just put. We'll just do an unboxing first, so I can show you guys what's in the kit. Controller. So this controller, we have to figure out where it's gonna go. I thought it's gonna go here inside, but most likely it's not. I think this is the.
Cables. Oh, here's the.
This is flashlights, right? It looks like.
Flashlight?
I think they're flashlights. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are flashlights.
Quality.
Really nice.
Beautiful. Look
We'll
at
have to figure out how to connect the stuff. All right, so we have here the sprocket, and it's a dual sprocket. We have the crankset with electronics. I'm not sure if it's a sensor or a cadence sensor or a torque sensor. We have the controller here, and it's a pretty beefed up controller, really big. I initially thought that this is gonna go inside here, but it's not the case. I have to figure out where this is gonna go. We have here a set of LED lights, and they're pretty beefed up. Big magnifier, and it's all aluminum heatsink. We have the display here, and we'll get to the motor in a second. And here's the throttle with the hardware, more hardware, brackets here, and here's the motor. And it's 5000 watts. It's heavy, but it's compact. It's all CNC'd here, all these brackets really beautifully done. We have the logo of the brand here, and the most beautiful part is here is the cover. I like how they have this opening here. They can see the brushless motor. It's just stunning, really nicely done. So you'll be able to see all of that. And here we have the guard with the logo, and this is where you put the chain through with the tensioner. So really compact. I cannot believe this is 5000 watts. It's so small and beautifully done. This is insane. This will give you really high speeds and a lot of torque. Oops, I hope I didn't scratch it. And yeah, I have to look at the specs, but this thing, it's small, but should output a lot of power. Really nicely done. So we're waiting for the battery, and I'll show you in a second which bikes we'll be using for this kit as a start. And as soon as the battery comes, we'll connect all this together and be ready for the test review. So this is the kit, and we're going to be testing on Truxas Metro. This is a very powerful bike. It's about 22 miles an hour top speed limited, and I like it because the frame is very compact. Fat tires, 20 by 4, really convenient for the city because of the small footprint. And the fork is nice, and I think having this kit here installed like this, it doesn't add a lot. This is probably 2-3 kilograms, maybe like 5, 6, 7 pounds. It's not heavy, but having this here and helping the motor, or maybe even removing the hub and just putting a regular tire and having this kit will make this vehicle so much more fun. Will be faster, will be more power. So this is going to be the first step, mounting it here. And the second bike, we want to try on a regular hardtail bike that everybody or most of the people have home. So let's say if you own one of these bikes, you install this kit and convert to electric, and not just convert, you get a lot of power, which is fun and also good to have on. Look at this wire, it's so thick. Look at this connector. So this kit is going to be amazing, guys. Having this on a regular bike will just make it so much better, so much more fun. And also, this is only front suspension. Having this in the dual suspension frame will be so much better. But we'll try with this because I think majority of people have this kind of frame home, and that'll be very useful to convert and install and show you capabilities and what you can do with the regular bike. So guys, stay tuned for that, and this is coming soon. Hopefully the battery arrives in next, I don't know, 1 week or 2 weeks, and I'll be able to finalize the project and show you this super awesome kit.
And then we're gonna race with the motorcycle over here. Yeah.
Yeah, this is fast. Yeah. This is really fast. We need like 10 kilowatt power to match that. But yeah, this is so compact, so small, and it's just beautiful. I like it. Just so well done. This controller can discharge 200 amps and it's between 36 volts up to 72 volts. The last year generation kit, if I remember correctly, was 65 amps maximum discharge. And that kit was about 50-ish or 55 miles top speed. This is 200 amps, guys, 200 amps. This is gonna be insanely fast. So it depends what battery size you put here. So it needs to be powerful enough to fit the system, but the potential here, it's really high. So this is gonna be super fast. Attention to detail is just insane. Yeah, it's just beautiful. I cannot wait to get the battery and assemble this, and we'll make a series of videos about this kit and show you guys how to assemble and testing, which will be really cool. So yeah, this is like Christmas came a bit earlier this year. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, please comment below, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.